Hey, Tim's Workshop here. This is part 2 of dissecting a Chevy Silverado 2001 electric motor. So I decided I was trying to fix them, and I only was going in halfway, and it worked for a while, but then it went south. So now I decided, you know, the truck is finished. It works great. I bought 2 new motors, well, refurbished motors, and put them in. But this part 2, I wanted to take the rest of this thing apart and see what the inside actually looks like. So now you get to see it too. Okay. In case you have these motors and wonder why you're buying them, this is why. So I took the cover off, I took this off, took this, just like I did on the video on the part 1. But what I did different is I took this piece off that has the magnets in it, has springs in it, just like normal magnets, except this is all plastic. Okay, so the only thing metal rubbing against this top piece on the aperture is just these 2 metal magnets. Okay, and then I pulled this out, and this thing's pretty gunked up where those magnets were going, for one, and all this is all gunked up. So that's part of the problem right there. The biggest part of the problem is that. Yeah. And so that's where the bottom part of this aperture rubs against, is those plates there, which are probably magnets as well. So when they refurbish these things, they take all this apart and replace everything. I don't know how they get this apart without breaking it like I did. You know, these little plastic pieces here. I put oil on it finally to get it out, and it popped out for me. So if I would have done that to begin with, what you do is, in order to get this popped off, you put this end in a vise, and then you tap on this, and that's why these ears are bent, to pull this out. And then you can get this out and this out. Okay, if you want to go to all that much trouble and see if you can clean these things yourself and make it work right. But the new part, I only bought it for like 50 bucks, you know, so 55 bucks with tax, so one for each side, so about 100 bucks replacing these motors. All right, just so you know. All right, so I'm going to put it back together because this is a core charge that they're going to get back. So I'm going to do that and put it back in the box and give it back to them, get my 5 bucks back. 5 bucks core charge. Yeah, see, I split that apart. That all came apart. Anyway, hopefully you enjoyed that video. If you like, please subscribe, leave comments, hit the notification bell, and give me a like. Thanks.